Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable the new Facebook football mode feature step by step. You can see Facebook soccer mode. Okay, let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Now tap on Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Facebook app and tap on let's go and see. Now app showing, see Facebook soccer mode showing, and disable Facebook soccer mode. And now double click Facebook mode, and now soccer mode off. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please like, comment and share now.